Removal. Using a non-marring flat-bladed tool, loosen the screw that secures the right earphone to the headset. Remove the right earphone. The left earphone is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Important. The earphones are identified with an R and an L engraved in the plastic. Align the pins on the right earphone with the holes in the headset and place the earphone into position. Using a flat-bladed tool, tighten the screw that secures the right earphone to the headset. The left earphone is replaced in the same manner.